All right, so if you're looking for a more affordable option to replacing your water filters for your Breville Espresso machines, I'm going to be comparing the filters that come in this 4 pack to the official Breville filter that is currently in my Breville Touch. Now, these are compatible with the BES008 filter, so they work in a lot of Breville machines. The Touch, which I personally have, they also work in the Barista Pro, the Oracle Touch, and I do believe the dual boiler as well. Now, this pack does come with each filter individually wrapped. And the same with the official Breville filters. These do help with scale buildup, kind of help reducing chlorine and contaminations or contaminants in your water. All right, so just removing my water tank, I'm going to remove my filter that is in there. All right, and I'm just going to take my filter out of the holder here. And this is the official Breville filter that actually came with my machine. And so if you kind of look at the top of these, this is the new filter that I'm going to put in. The numbers are a little bit darker, the text is a little bit darker on the Breville filter, but they look identical as far as the look of them. The new filter has kind of the black thing on the bottom. All right, so this is going to work exactly the same as the Breville filter. We're going to set our date. So it's currently February, so I'm going to make sure that I set it so it lasts, it's the very beginning of February. It lasts about 3 months each filter. Now, I do know my official Breville filter told me to soak it in water for 5 minutes. This one, it tells you to run water through this bottom hole until it comes out of the sides for about a minute. All right, so I am just going to follow the instructions on the package for this, and I'm just going to run water in this hole. All right, and once you've either ran water into the bottom hole here or you've soaked it, whichever you prefer to activate the filter, we're just going to insert it into our filter holder. Snap the holder back together so because it's the same size and shape as the official Breville ones, it fits in the holder perfectly. Now I'm just going to reinstall this back into my water tank and then of course fill it back up. Now, depending on the machine you have, but if you're like me and you have the Touch, if you've been getting the warning message that your water filter change was due, you need to hit the ready to replace filter now. You need to hit replace so that it knows that you've replaced it, and then it'll start counting down that 3 months and let you know when it is due to be changed again. All right, so I found no difference between these filters and the official Breville filters, so highly recommend.